Hi, I am Chef Md Alamraza Khan. Here's a recipe for mushroom dim sum. Most popular cricketer Virat Kohli famous dish. This dish features a savory mushroom filling wrapped in soft dumpling wrappers and is often steamed, creating a delicious vegetarian dim sum treat. Mushroom dim sum recipe. Chef Md Alamraza Khan restaurant style. Ingredients. For the filling: 2 cups mushrooms, shiitake, button, or cremini, finely chopped. 1/2 cup cabbage, finely shredded. 1/4 cup carrot, grated. 2 to 3 green onions, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 inch piece of ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, optional for sweetness. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, for sautéing. For the wrappers: 1 package of round dumpling wrappers, store-bought or homemade. For steaming: parchment paper, optional, or non-stick spray for the steamer basket. Instructions. Prepare the filling. Heat the vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Add garlic and ginger, and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the chopped mushrooms, shredded cabbage, and grated carrots. Stir fry until the mushrooms are soft and the moisture has mostly evaporated. Stir in soy sauce, hoisin sauce, if using, sesame oil, and green onions. Add salt and pepper to taste. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well combined and cooked through. Remove from heat and let the filling cool slightly. Assemble the dim sum. Place a dumpling wrapper on a flat surface. Spoon about 1 teaspoon of filling into the center. Moisten the edges of the wrapper with a bit of water. Fold the wrapper in half, pressing to seal the edges tightly. You can pleat or crimp them for a decorative look. Repeat with the remaining filling and wrappers. Steam the dumplings. Prepare a steamer with parchment paper or spray it lightly with non-stick spray to prevent sticking. Place the dumplings in the steamer in a single layer, ensuring they don't touch each other. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes until the wrappers are translucent, and the filling is heated through. Serve. Serve hot with soy sauce, chili oil, or your favorite dipping sauce on the side. Enjoy your mushroom dim sum. Virat Kohli famous dish. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.